ॐ ॐ ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांशः हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। गजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्प कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायङ्काले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्कं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताथ दद्मो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्त जनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्य यत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसाद प्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम्। आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणं। चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं। नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniyam session. We have completed the 70 Dashakams. We will start straight away into the 71st tonight, which is Indravajra, Upajati, and all little mix. It's going to come. And we are all aware of its rules. I hope you have it all written handy. So without any time wasted further, let's start. What happened? So in this, today we are going to see Keshi Vadhavarnanam and also Vyomasura Vadhavarnanam. Starting with Indra Vajra, but then it's going to sound same, only the counts of syllables so will change here and there. Yatneshu sarveshvapi navakeshi.
यत्नेषु सर्वेष्वपि नावकेशी
केशी स भोजे शितुरिष्टबन्धुः।
केशी स भोजे शितुरिष्टबन्धुः।
Very good. Tvam sindhujaवाप्य इतीव मत्वा.
Is it tvam or tvam?
Tvam
sindhujaवाप्य इतीव मत्वा.
सिन्धुजावाप्य आतिमात्रा। त्वां सिन्धुजावाप्य इतीव मत्वा।
त्वां सिन्धुजावाप्य इतीव
वप्य,
मत्वा.
instead of saying vapya, say vapya. त्वां सिन्धुजावाप्य इतीव मत्वा.
त्वां सिन्धुजावाप्य इतीव मत्वा.
Correct. सम्प्राप्तवान् सिन्धुजवाजिरूपः।
सम्प्राप्तवान् सिन्धुजवाजिरूपः। यत्नेषु सर्वेष्वपि नावकेशी केशी स भोजे शितुरिष्टबन्धुः। त्वां सिन्धुजावाप्य इतीव मत्वा सम्प्राप्तवान् सिन्धुजवाजरूपः।
वाजल वाजी.
वाजिरूपः.
Your brothers are going to join, right? Okay. Yatneshu sarveshu api. Yatneshu sarveshu, in all the rhymes. Sarveshu yatnaha. Yatna is a prayatna. Whatever has been tried. Na avakeshi was not successful. Means whatever work is allotted, whatever he is going to undertake, he is never successful. That Keshi, who is Bhoje Shituhu. Bhoje Shitu is the king of Bhoja, that means Kamsa. Ishtabandhuhu was a very close friend of Kamsa. Who? This Keshi. Keshi, who is never successful in whatever he does. Tvam Sindhuja Avapya. Now, Tvam means Bhattatariji is saying to Lord that you are got by Sindhuja. Sindhu now, over here we have to take in two sense. Sindhuja is born out of Sindhu, means born from the ocean, that is Lakshmi Ma, who has easily got Lord. Okay. Itiva Matva, thinking that whoever Sindhuja born would get Lord easily, Sampraptavan, he came to you. Keshi has come to the Lord. Sindhuja Vaji Rupaha. But he was not born from Sindhuja in the sense of Sindhu in the ocean. He was born from the land of the Sindhu. He was not born from. But thinking that whoever is Sindhuja can get Lord easily, he also approached Lord. Okay, clear meaning? I feel a very question marks on people's faces. What is it? Sindhuja has two meanings. Sindhuja, one is who is born from the ocean. One. And second meaning is Sindhuja is born from this land of Sindhu. Land of Sindhu. Sindhu. Sindh Pranta. Sindhu. One who is born from the Sindhu land is also Sindhuja. And one who is born from the ocean is also Sindhuja. This horse is from the land, place name, not from the ocean. From place name Sindhu, not from the ocean. Okay, a place is also called Sindhu. Ocean is also called Sindhu. Born out of ocean is Lakshmi ji. Is it clear now, the meaning? Okay, now some nods and all then. Okay, I understand from the expression whether it's received or not. यत्नेषु सर्वेष्वपि नावकेशी केशी स भोजेषि तुरिष्टबन्धुः त्वां सिन्धुजावाप्य इतीव मत्वा, thinking that okay, he is from Sindhus and easily Sindhu people can get Lord. He has some praptavan. He is a Vajirupa. In the form of a horse, he has come. Sampraptavan Sindhujavajirupaha. Hari Om Arjun. गन्धर्वतामेष गतोऽपि रूक्षैः
गन्धर्वतामेष गतोऽपि रूक्षैः
नादैः समुद्वेजितः सर्वलोकः
नादैः समुद्वेजितः सर्वलोकः
भवद्विलोकावधिगोपवाटीम्
अबद्विलोकावधिगोपवाटीम्
प्रमर्द्य पापः पुनरापतत्वाम्
प्रमर्द्य पापः पुनरापतत्वाम् गन्धर्वतामेष गतोऽपि रूक्षैः नादैः समुद्वेजितः सर्वलोकः भवद्विलोकावधिगोपवाटीम् प्रमर्द्य पापः पुनरापतत्वाम्
Gandharvatam Esha Gatopi. He took a form of Gandharva. Esha Gatopi. He has taken a form of Gandharva. And Rukshanadaihi. He is making very big sounds. And Samudvijeta Sarvalokaha. He has frightened of Samudvija Sarvaloka. All. And Bhavadlokavadhi. And when until he could see you, until Bhavat Lokavadhi, until he could see you, Gopavatim Pramardya. Entire that Gokula, he was destroying. Gopavati, he is Pramardya. Papa Punarapatatvam. He has, until he could see, and when he saw you, then he has come and fallen in front of you. Punaha apatatvam. Papaha, it is for the Gandharvatam Eshaha, for that. So he is that one papi, one wicked asura who was destroying and making sounds and frightening of everybody. The moment he has seen Lord, he has come and fallen in front of Lord. गन्धर्वतामेष गतोऽपि रूक्षैः नादैः समुद्वेजितः सर्वलोकः भवद्विलोकावधिगोपवाटीम् प्रमर्द्य पापः पुनरापतत्वाम् तार्क्ष्यार्पिताङ्घ्रेस्तव तार्क्ष्य एषः
तार्क्ष्यार्पिताङ्घ्रेस्तव तार्क्ष्यार्पिताङ्घ्रेस्तव तार्क्ष्य एषः
निक्षेपवक्षो भुवि नामपादम्
क्षेपवक्षो भुवि नामपादम्
भृगोः पदाघातकथान्निशम्य
भृगोः पदाघातकथान्निशम्य
त्वेनापि शक्यं तदितीव मोहात्
तेनापि शक्यं तदितीव मोहात् तार्क्ष्यार्पिताङ्घ्रेस्तव तार्क्ष्य एषः चिक्षेपवक्षो भुवि नामपादम् भृगोः पदाघातकथान्निशम्य स्वेनापि शक्यं तदितीव मोहात्.
Svena you said or Sena you said?
Svena.
Sena. Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. So now what has happened? See the Tarksha word over here. Huh? Tarksharpita anghehe tava. Tava, yours. Anghi, feet. Tarksharpita. Tarksha is Garuda. Your feet you have put on Garuda. Bhattariji is saying to the Lord. And Tarkshaha Esha. So over here the second Tarkshaha, that is meaning the horse. Eshaha Tarkshaha, this horse. Chikshepa has thrown. Vaksho bhuvi. Namapadam. On your chest. He has thrown. That means he has kicked on your chest. Then, Bhrugo pada ghata katha nishamya. Nishamya heard. He has heard Bhrugu's pada katha ghata. No? Lord has no? The chinna of his. So he has heard that. And he thought, Svenapi, his own pada shakyam tad itiva mohat. Mohat, delusion. So by thinking that this is, in his delusion, he thinks even he can kick Lord's chest, he thought. And who this Tarksha is thinking like that, but Lord's feet are on Garuda. Means they are using the simile metaphors of the word Tarksha. Tarksharpitanghe stava Tarksha eshaha chikshepa bhuvi nama padam bhrigopada ghata kathan nishamya svenapi shakyam taditiva mohat. Prahlad is there today. No. What else can raise hand? So my imagine. Number 4. Pravancha, Pravanchayannasya Khuranchalandra Ka ending. Okay. Opening the sandhi, Ga will become Ka.
Varshaji, can you just repeat?
Pravanchayannasya Khuranchalandra.
Pravanchayannasya Khuranchalandra.
Drak amuncha chikshe pitha duram.
Amuncha chikshe pitha duram.
Sammurchitopi khyati murchitena.
Sammurchitopi hyati murchitena.
Odhoshmana khaditumadritasvam.
Krodhoshmana khaditumadrutasvam. Pravanchayannasya Khuranchalandra gamuncha chikshe pitha duram. Sammurchitopi hyati murchitena. Sammurchitopi hyati murchitat. Sammurchitopi hyati murchitena. Krodhashmana khaditumadrutasvam.
Krodhoshmana.
Krodhoshmana khaditumadrutasvam.
Correct. So, pravanchana is he has dodged. He has dodged asya his Khuranchaala, his kick. Lord has dodged Drak very quickly. And amuncha chikshepitha duram. And he has chikshepitha thrown him very far away. Then, sammurchita api, though he has fainted, atimurchitena, with a greater krodhoshmana, anger, khaditum, to eat Lord, tvam khaditum, adrutaha, he rushed towards the Lord. Pravanchayannasya Khuranchalandra Amuncha chikshe pitha duram sammurchitopi hyati murchitena krodhoshmana khaditumadritasvam. Lalitachi. Number 5. Tvam vaha dande kritadhishcha vaha dandanyadhastasya mukhe tadanim. Vaha we cannot stop because vaha danda is one word. It is not samasa, it's one word. Vaha danda.
Tvam vaha dande kritadhishcha vaha dandanyadhastasya mukhe tadanim.
Perfect. Tadvruddhiruddhashvasano gatasuho.
तद्वृद्धिरुद्धश्वसनो गतासुः
सप्ती भवन्नप्ययमैक्यमागात्
सप्ती भवन्नप्ययमैक्यमागात् त्वं वाहदण्डे कृतधिश्च वाहादण्डन्यथास्तस्य मुखे तदानीं तद्वृद्धिरुद्धश्वसनो गतासुः सप्ती भवन्नप्ययमैक्यमागात्
Not like that. Sapti भवन्नप्ययमैक्यमागात्
तद्वृद्धिरुद्धश्वसनो गतासुः सप्ती भवन्नप्ययमैक्यमागात्.
Correct. And now what happens? Tvam, you, Vahadande, to Krutadhihi. Krutadhihi, you have decided. Vahadanda, to give punishment to this horse. And then that is Vahadanda. Vahadanda, to give danda, to punish to this horse. Then, second one, Vahadanda. Vahadanda is Lord's arm, which is like one club. Nyadhaha, he kept. Where? Mukhe tadanim. Tasya mukhe. Tasya, his mouth. Whose mouth? That Keshi's mouth, that horse's mouth, Lord has kept his hand. Then, tat vruddhi. Over there, his arm size kept on increasing. And then, ruddha shvasanaha. That stopped his breath. Whose? Keshi's breath. And gatasuhu. And sapti bhavan. He died, or Sapti Bhavan is, he attained this, and Sapti Bhavan api aikyam agat, and not only that, he became one with the Lord. We have seen, even Lord's enemies have got mukti, and Keshi dies. Tvam vahadande kritadhishcha vahadandanyadhastasya mukhe tadani tadvruddhiruddhashvasano gatasuhu sapti bhavannapyayamaikyamagat. Saha. Number 6. Alambhamatrena pashosuranam
आलम्भमात्रेण पशोऽसुराणाम्
प्रसादके नूत्न इवाश्वमेधे
प्रसादके नूत्न इवाश्वमेधे
कृते त्वया हर्षवशात् सुरेन्द्राः
कृते त्वया हर्षवशात् सुरेन्द्राः
त्वां तुष्टुवुः केशवनामधेयम्
त्वां तुष्टुवुः केशवनामधेयम् आलम्भमात्रेण पशोऽसुराणाम् प्रसादके नूत्न इवाश्वमेधे कृते त्वया हर्षवशात् सुरेन्द्राः त्वां तुष्टुवुः केशवनामधेयम्.
So alambhamatrena, just by killing pashoho, this one, like killing this horse, suranam prasadake, and that has been Suranam, or the gods prasadake. It was like giving contentment to the gods. Nutna ivashvamedhe, means this is the new kind of Ashwamedha only. So in Ashwamedha, like how it's a horse sacrifice. So in this, actually, literally the horse is sacrificed because Keshi came in the form of a horse and the horse was killed. So the gods were very happy, as though it was a literal Ashwamedha that has happened. Krute tvaya harshavashat, because of that happiness of the Lord of Surendraha, tvam tushtuvuhu, they began to praise him, and Keshava namadheyam, and Lord got the name Keshava. This is how Lord got the name Keshava. Alambhamatrena pashosurana prasadake nutnaivashvamedhe krute tvaya harshavashat surendraha tvam tushtuvuh Keshava namadheyam. Pushpaji. कंसायते शौरिसुतत्वमुक्त्वा
कंसायते शौरिसुतत्वमुक्त्वा
तन्तद्वधोत्कं प्रतिरुध्य वाचा
तन्तद्वधोत्कं प्रतिरुध्य वाचा
प्राप्तेन केशि क्षपणावसाने
प्राप्तेन केशिक्षपणावसाने
श्रीनारदेन त्वमभिष्टुतो भूः
श्रीनारदेन त्वमभिष्टुतो भूः कंसायते शौरिसुतत्वमुक्त्वा तन्तद्वधोत्कं प्रतिरुध्य वाचा प्राप्तेन केशिक्षपणावसाने श्रीनारदेन त्वमभिष्टुतो भूः.
So now what happens? Kamsaya to Kamsate. Shauri Sutam Uktva. Shauri Sutam Uktva. He is son of Vasudeva. Like that, Vasudev. Like that was Tam Vadhotkam Pratirudhya Vacha. So then when Kamsa understood that he is Vasudeva's son and he was now going to kill Vasudeva, then Pratirudhya Vacha. Naradji, where it is, it's going to come in the second line. Where he stopped him. Naraji stopped Kamsa from doing that action, means killing Vasudevji. Then, Praptena Keshi Kshapanavasane. When Keshi's death was, when Keshi got death in Lord's hand, by Naradena, Tvam, to you, Abhishtito Bhuhu. Naraji came over there to praise you. कंसायते शौरिसुतत्वमुक्त्वा तन्तद्वधोत्कं प्रतिरुध्य वाचा प्राप्तेन केशिक्षपणावसाने श्रीनारदेन त्वमभिष्टुतो भूः. लिखेगा जी. Number 8. कदापि गोपैः सह काननान्ते. Another story now.
कदापि गोपैः सह काननान्ते
निलायन क्रीडनलोलुपन्त्वाम्
निलायनक्रीडनलोलुपन्त्वाम्
मयात्मजः प्राप दुरन्तमायः
मयात्मजः प्राप दुरन्तमायः
व्योमाभिधो व्योमचरोपरोधी
व्योमाभिधो व्योमचरोपरोधी कदापि गोपैः सह काननान्ते निलायनक्रीडनलोपपन्त्वाम् मयात्मजः प्राप दुरन्तमायाः
मायाः नो मायः
मायात्मजः प्राप दुरन्तमायः व्योमाभिधो व्योमचरोपरोधी.
But it's okay. Kadapi, one time, Gopaihi saha kananante, when Lord was all with Gopas kananante, Nilayana Kridana Lolupatvam. Nilayana means hiding and playing. Like that, they were playing this game in the forest. That time, Mayatmajaha, the one who is born from Maya, Mayatmajaha, and who has Prapa Duranta Maya. He has got some very Duranta Maya, very much magical powers, who has Vyoma Bhidho. His name was Vyoma, and he was Vyomachara Uparodhi. Who are in the Vyoma? Gods are there. So Vyomacharas, who are roaming in the sky, those gods, he was Uparodhi. He was enemy of the gods. So he has now come over there in that Kanana where Lord is playing with the Gopa boys. Kadapi Gopai Saha. So it is not Gopi, it is a Gopa. Gopa means boys, okay? Gopa boys. So I hope you have heard that story, no? That those boys will only become, some of them are, the boys are becoming bullocks and cows. And some boys will become police and other will become thieves. And some boys. So now this one set of boys will steal another set of boys, means the cows. And then they have to be caught, the thieves have to be caught. That kind of a hide and seek they were playing. ओके कदापि गोपैः सह काननान्ते निलायन क्रीडनलोलुपन्त्वा मयात्मजः प्राप दुरन्तमायः व्योमाभिदो व्योमचरोपरोधी. If you have watched that cartoon, in that it is there how the two boys will become the cows or this, and how the other two boys are stealing, and how this Vyomasura has come as becoming one of that, like that. Anyways, Radha Krishnan ji. Now on number 9. सचोरपालायितवल्लवेषु
सचोरपालायितवल्लवेषु
चोरायितो गोपशिशून् पशूंश्च
चोरायितो गोपशिशून् पशूंश्च
मासु कृत्वापि दधे शिलाभिः
गुहासु कृत्वा पिदधे शिलाभिः
त्वया स बुद्ध्वा परिमर्दितोऽभूत्.
त्वया च बुद्ध्वा परिमर्दितोऽभूत् सचोरपालायितवल्लवेषु चोरायितो
No, that is second here. सचोरपालायितवल्लवेषु
सचोरपालायितवल्लवेषु चोरायितो गोपशिशून् पशूंश्च गुहासु कृत्वा पिदधे शिलाभिः त्वया च बुद्ध्वा परिमर्दितोऽभूत्.
So, Saha, who? That Vyomasura. Chorapalayita Vallaveshu. These boys who are Chorapala. So I said some boys are doing the action of act of thief. So this one came in the form of thief. Who? This Vyomasura, he came in the form of thief. Like other boys. He came like a Gopa form who are doing the act of the thief. One acting into another acting. And then Choraito, he robs Gopa, Shishun and Pashu. He takes the Gopa boys also and the Pashus. He robs them. And Guhasu, in a cave, Krutva, he put them in the cave and Pidadhe. And he closed it with what? Shilabhihi. By many stones he closed. Then Tvaya, by you, means by Lord Bhattakari is saying to the Lord, Tvaya, by you, Buddha, it came to know Parimardito Bhut. When he kills Gopa boys. When Lord comes to know about this, Lord has killed this who? Vyomasura. सचोरपालायितवल्लवेषु चोरायितो गोपशिशून् पशूंश्च गुहासु कृत्वापि दधे शिलाभिः त्वया च बुद्ध्वा परिमर्दितोऽभूत्. Number 10. एवं विधैश्चाद्भुतकेलिभेदैः
My turn, is it?
Shamala ji, you are on
okay.
spotlight.
Yeah. एवं विधैश्चाद्भुतकेलिभिः
केलिभेदैः एवं विधैश्चाद्भुत केलिभेदैः.
Okay. एवं विधैश्चाद्भुतकेलिभेदैः
Something is wrong. Could you say?
एवं विधैश्चाद्भुत
Chad, like that we are saying, na? Chadana. Adbhut. Adbhut word you have heard, right? Adbhut. So that's Adbhut. Vidhaischadbhut.
एवं विधैश्चाद्भुत केलिभेदैः.
Chad is only half, Bhuta is full. Evam vidhaischadbhut kelibhedaihi.
एवं विधैश्चाद्भुत केलिभेदैः.
Very good. Anandamurcha matulam vrajasya.
आनन्दमूर्छाम् अतुलान् व्रजस्य.
Atulam, Makara. Pade pade nutanayanna seemam.
पदे पदे नूतनयन्न सीमाम्.
Paratmarupin pavaneshapayaha.
परात्मरूपिन् पवनेशपायाः. एवं विधैश्चाद्भुत भेदैः आनन्दमूर्छाम् अतुलां व्रजस्य पदे पदे नूतनयन्न सीमां परात्मरूपिन् पवनेश पायाः.
So as okay, evam vidhaihi, in this way, adbhuta keli bhedaihi, by different kinds of leelas, adbhuta, wonderful, keli bhedaihi, sporting actions, leelas, Ananda murcham atulam vrajasya, for the vrajavasis, you are giving bouts of happiness which is incomparable, atulam, and Ananda murcha means bliss that is making, taking your conscious only away. You are in that state of heightened awareness, consciousness, bliss. Like this, by different act, you have given incomparable such leelas to Vrajavasis, and pade pade, every time, here and there, now and then, Nutana yanna simam, every time something new, and there is no limit for all your leelas that you were offering. O Paratma Rupin, O Supreme Lord, Pavanesha, Guruvairappa, Payaha, protect me. And this way we completed our 71st Dashaka with His grace, with such a ease. एवं विधैश्चाद्भुतकेलि भेदैः आनन्दमूर्छामतुलां व्रजस्य पदे पदे नूतनयन्न सीमा परात्मरूपिन् पवनेश पायाः. Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. Let's go ahead. Have we done Vasanta Tilakam? Yes. So we are not spending any time. Adults, you can still keep your hand raised. I'll come back to you after the kids finish. The kids will start for this. Now the topic is going to change. All this Vrajavasis, Leelas and all are happening. Now the sad part is going to happen. Now Akrura has been sent by Kamsa to somehow deceitfully take Krishna, uproot Krishna from Vraja, and he is taking now to Mathura. So all this is like the Gokula's Yatra, Gokula's Vasa is going to soon come to end. Then after that, he doesn't come over here for so many years. Okay. It's after, I think, 50, 60 years only he would meet. So it's going to be quite long. So now this Akrura has been sent by Kamsa, and his Varnana is coming now. Akrura's Varnana is going to come. How he's coming from Mathura to Gokula. Okay, Vasanta Tilaka Chandas. We took. Ready? Kamso Tanarada Gira Vrajavasinam Tvam.
हंसोऽथ व्रजवासिनं त्वाम्
आकर्ण्यदीर्णहृदयः सहि गान्धिनेयम्
आकर्ण्यदीर्णहृदयः सहि गान्धिनेयम्.
Very good. आहूय कार्मुकमखच्छलतो भवन्तम्
आहूय कार्मुकमखच्छलतो भवन्तम्.
Very good. आनेतु मेन महिनो दहिनाथ शायिन्
आनेतु मेन महिना दहिनाथ शायिन्. कंसोऽथ नारदगिरा व्रजवासिनं त्वाम् आकर्ण्यदीर्णहृदयः सहि गान्धिनेयम्. आहूय कार्मुकमखच्छलते लतो भवन्तम्. आनेतु मे नो दहिनाथ शायिन्.
Very good. So over there, we'll see the how we have to break it. Bhavantam. Okay, that third line, last word is Bhavantam. So the below ma, half ma has gone up already. Bhavantam. Okay. Then the starting is anetum. Tumunavyay, to bring. Anetum. Okay, mark it, Enam, this. Ahinot. Enam. Ahinot. Ahinot. Sent. Ahinot. So when you open the will become ta. Ahinot. Then what is balances? Ahi. Ahinatha Shahin. Ahi is Sarpa. Ahinatha is the king of all the Sarpas. That means, and Shahin, the one who is reclining on the Ananta Sheshanagapati. So that Ahishayin, Ahinatha. Understand? You got the break? Anetum, Enam, Ahinot, Ahinatha Shayin. That is the break. So when you are chanting, it will become easy when you know that little break. So, what is the meaning? Kamsaha, Atha. Atha means after this, Naradagira. Naradji has now already said that he is that eighth son of Devaki. And now Kamsa is knowing he is a Vrajavasi Namtvam, that you are a Vrajavasi. You are living in Vraja. Akarnya, having heard this, Dirnardayaha, his heart trembled in fear. Sahi Gandhineyam. Okay. So, Gandhineyam, son of Gandhi, Gandhini, that is Akrura, Gandhinam, Ahuya, third line, Gandhi, third line, Ahuya, he was called upon. Who? Gandhineyam was called upon. Akrura was called upon. And Karmukam Makha Chalataha. Chala is by deceit. Tell him that for Karmukam means for playing the bow. There is a competition or there is some festival, bow and the arrow. So in that you call Anetum to bring him. He has sent this Gandhineyam. Oh, Ahinatha Shayin, oh Lord, where you are on Ahinatha, you are on this Adishesha in reclining. He has sent you Kamsa has sent Akrura to bring you in the pretext of playing bow. Kamsa has no such intention. Kamsa has fear. He is Dirna Hridayaha. Kamso Narada Gira Vrajavasinantva Akarnya Dirna Hridaya Sahi Gandhineyam Ahuya Karmukam Akachalato Bhavantam Ane Tumena Mahino Dahinatha Shahin. Akrura Esha Bhavadangri Paraschiraya.
Akrura Esha Bhavadangri Parascharaya.
Charaya no, Chiraya.
Akrura Esha Bhavadangri Paraschiraya.
Correct. Tvadarshanakshamamanaha Kshitipala Bhitya.
Tvadarshanakshamamanaha Kshitipala Bhitya.
Tasyadnyayaiva punarikshitumudyatastvang.
Tasyadnyayaiva punarikshitumudyatastvang.
Ananda bharamati bhuritaram babhara.
Ananda bharamati bhuritaram babhara. Akrura esha bhavadangri paraschiraya. Tvadarshanakshamamanaha kshitipala bhitya. Tasyadnyayaiva punarikshitumudyatastvang. Ananda bharamati bhuritaram babhara.
Akruraha esha. Esha Akruraha. Bhavadangri, your feet. Paraha. He was a devotee of your feet. Chiraya, for a very long time, not now. Since very long, Akrura was loving Lord and he was Bhavadangri Paraha. At your lotus feet, he was devoted. Aha. And Tvat Darshanaksham Amanaha. To see you, it was going to be impossible only. He never felt Tvat Darshana. Your Darshana he would get, he never felt. Why? Kshitipala Bhitya, out of fear of the Kshitipala, out of the fear of the king, out of the fear of the Kamsa. Tasya Adnya eva. His Adnya only. Now the king's only Adnya has come. Tasya means Kamsa's Adnya, his Adnya. Kshitipala is there. So Kshitipala Tasya. His Adnya, Kamsa's Adnya eva. His Adnya alone. Punaha. Ikshitum, that you would be seen. Udyatastva. Tvanikshitum. Now it's possible to see you. Udyataha. He was getting ready to come. And with that, Ananda Bhara. So much he was heavy with happiness. Ati Bhuritaram. So heavy with happy Bhabhara. He was feeling the weight of the happiness. His joy was beyond any bounds. He couldn't control that the one whose feet I was worshipping quietly and not ever imagined that I would get to see the Lord because he is over here with Kamsa. And now Kamsa only sending him. So he got super excited, super happy. It's the Bhajana. The words are Ananda Bharam Ati Bhuritaram. He was feeling the weight of his happiness. अक्रूर एष भवदङ्घ्रि परश्चिराय त्वद्दर्शनाक्षममनाः क्षितिपारभीत्या तस्याज्ञयैव पुनरीक्षितुमुद्यतस्त्वाम् आनन्दभारमति भूरितरं बभार. Yes, Anish. सोऽयं व्रतेन सुकृती भवतो निवासम्.
सोऽयं रथेन सुकृते भवतो निवासम्
गच्छन् मनोरथगणां स्वै धार्यमाणान्.
गच्छन् मनोरथगणां स्वयि धार्यमाणान्
आस्वादयन् मुहुरपाय भयेन दैवम्.
आस्वादयन् मुहुरपाय भयेन दैवम्
सम्प्रार्थयन् पथि न किञ्चिदपि व्यजानात्.
सम्प्रार्थयन् पथि न किञ्चिदपि व्यजानात्. सोऽयं रथेन सुकृती भवतो निवासम् गच्छन् मनोरथगणां स्वयि धार्यमाणान् आस्वादयन् मुहुरपाय भयेन दैवम् सम्प्रार्थयन् पथि न किञ्चिदपि व्यजानात्.
So now what has happened? What happened? So Sahayam, this one, Rathena, by the chariot, Sukruti, he has done lot of good deeds. Bhavataha Nivasam, towards your house, Gachan was coming. That time, Manoratha Ganan, Tvai Dharyamanam. He was imagining so many thoughts. Manoratha he has got and so many desires. And Tvai, and he was Tvai Dharyamana, whatever was relating to the Lord, he was keeping on thinking repeatedly. It was running in his mind. And Aswadayan, he was enjoying that. How? Muhuhu. Again and again he was remembering about Lord and he was enjoying whatever his thoughts were. And Apaya Bhayena Daivam Samprarthayan. Apaya Bhayam, there should not be any obstacle. Something rare when you get, no, you pray to God that, oh, please retain this with me. I don't want any obstacles. Let this get complete. Let this get complete. This is yatra. Let me see the Lord. So, Daivam Samprarthayan, so Apaya Bhayena, that there should not be any, the Kamsa's mind shouldn't change and should stop the plan. Then Akrura cannot see. So now he's already excited to see the Lord. So now only thing what he can do, okay, let this just complete. So he's praying, Lord, Apaya Bhayana, that some obstacles or some problem will come out of that fear. Daivam Samprarthayan. And like this, when he's going, Pathi, on the way, Vikinchidapi Vyajanat, he doesn't know what he. So normally when we are going somewhere, we will see sightseeing. This we saw, that we saw, waterfall, mountain, river, scenery, whatever in the yatra we will see. He is not seeing what he is seeing. His thoughts are only of the Lord. And his thoughts are only of the prayers that there should not be any obstacle. Only Lord and Muhur again and again is thinking only about the Lord. Who? Akrura. Soyam Rathena Sukriti Bhavato Nivasam Gachan Manoratha Ganam Svai Dharyamanan Aswadayan Muhurapaya Bhayena Daivam Samprarthayan Patina Kinchidapi Vyajanat. One name. Number 4. Drakshyami Vedashatagita-gatim pumansam.
द्रक्ष्यामि वेदशतगीतगतिं पुमांसम्
See, so beautiful. Sprakshyami kim svidapi nama parishvajeyam.
प्रक्ष्यामि किं स्विदपि नाम परिष्वजेयम्
Kim vakshate sa khalu mang kvanu vikshita syat. The ending. The below the has gone up and become the.
किं वक्ष्यते स खलु मां क्वनु वीक्षितः स्यात्
So the balance will, the has gone, so balance will be E. Itthan ninayasa bhavan mayameva margam.
इत्थन्निनाय स भवन्मयमेव मार्गम् द्रक्ष्यामि वेदशतगीतगतिं पुमांसम् स्प्रक्ष्यामि किं स्विदपि नाम परिष्वजेयम् किं वक्ष्यते स खलु मां क्वनु वीक्षितः स्यात् इत्थन्निनाय स भवन्मयमेव मार्गम्
So sweet, so sweet. In that whole journey, what he is thinking, huh? That Kimswith is there, no? That word Kimswith in the second line. So you have to apply for all those verbs. Kimswith, may I, Drakshyami. Is it possible for me to see him? Who? Vedashata Gita Gatim Pumamsam. Pumamsa, this highest Purushottama, huh? who is seen, or who the Vedas are telling that he is the goal. What in life you have to achieve is him. To him, would I be able to see him? Kimsvit Drakshyami. One. Second, Kimsvit Sprakshyami. Will I be able to touch him? Will I be able to touch him? Kimsvit api nama parishvajeyam. May I be able to hug him? Will he hug me? Then, not only that, Kim vakshyate. What will he be telling? Huh? What will he talk to me? Sakhalu mam. Vanu vikshitaha. Where can I see him? Itham ninaya. Bhavan maya eva margam. So this, like this, the whole marga is thoughts about you only, Lord. Bhavan maya margam. About that whole journey, he is immersed in the Lord. Will I be able to touch Lord? Will Lord hug me? What will Lord say to me? What will happen with this? How will I receive what? Is completely his excitement. Like he is knowing that Lord is already a Parama Purusha. He is knowing Lord is the Purushottama. He is knowing that Lord is Lord. So he is completely devoted and he's super excited and he's keeping on thinking this whole journey about Lord only. Drakshyami vedashata gita gatim pumamsam sprakshyami kim sidvapi nama parishvajeyam sprakshyami kim svidapi nama parishvajeyam kim vakshate sakhalu mangvanu vikshita syat itthanninaya sabhavan mayameva margam. Anybody who has raised hand has got turn now? Okay, so second round. सुमनाजी भूयः क्रमादभिविशन् भवदङ्घ्रिपूतम्
भूयः क्रमादभिविशन् भवदङ्घ्रिपूतम्
वृन्दावनं हरविरिञ्च सुराभिवन्द्यम्
वृन्दावनौ हरविरिञ्च सुराभिवन्द्यम्
आनन्दमग्न इव लग्न इव प्रमोहे
आनन्दमग्न इव लग्न इव प्रमोहे
किङ्किन्दशान्तरमवापन पङ्कजाक्ष
किङ्किन्दशान्तरमवापन पङ्कजाक्ष भूयः क्रमादिभिविशन् भवदङ्घ्रिपूतम् वृन्दावनौ हरविरिञ्च सुराभिवन्द्यम् आनन्दमग्न इव लग्न इव प्रमोहे किङ्किन्दशान्तरमवापन पङ्कजाक्ष
Pankajaksha, lotus-eyed one. Oh, lotus-eyed one. Now it means to the Lord it is addressed. Bhuyaha. Again, what has happened again? Kramad. Gradually. Abhivishan. Entering. Bhavad Angri Putam. Putam means purified. by Bhavadangri, by your feet is purified. What? Vrindavanam. And where? Hara, Lord Shiva, Virincha, Lord Brahma, Surabhivandyam, all other gods, they all have worshipped or they have prayed over here. Where? In this Vrindavan, which is sanctified by your feet and worshipped by Brahma, Shiva, everybody. And Ananda Magna Iva, as if there is this infinite happiness over here. And Lakna Iva Pramohe, and as if there is something under some spell in Vrindavan as he's entering. He's getting that feeling. Kim, what not? Dashantaram, states, avapa. He got those kind of ecstatic states. God alone knows what all states. Feeling that spell of Lord's bliss in Vrindavan. As he's entering only, he's not seeing the Lord. He's only seen Vrindavan as he's entering, the feeling that is arising in him that this is the place where Lord's feet have touched. Oh, this is the place where Brahmaji has worshipped. Oh, this is the place where Shiva has worshipped. Oh, what a happiness is over here. Not seeing the Lord. Just on the outskirts only of the Vrindavan. He's entering only. Nothing has happened. Still, that atmosphere and that excitement and his power and his bhakti towards the Lord is giving him already the state of bliss in multiple levels. Kim, Dashantaram avapa. He got already the status of bliss. He already felt the Lord's presence long before seeing the Lord. Who? Akrura. Bhuyah kramadabhivishan bhavadangriputam vrindavanam haravirincha surabhivandyam anandamagnaiva lagna iva pramohe kim dashantaram avapana pankajaksha. Kim dashantara navapa means what not he got. Nava is that what didn't he get? Means he got more than what anybody could imagine. Wow. Those who have not gone to Vrindavan must go. Those who have to see that spot where even today the Rasa Leela happens. So last time we saw it's there. So keep it in your bucket list to go to Vrindavan, see that place and come. One must visit. One must visit. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay. Pashyan, give me a minute. Pashyanna vandata bhavad virutisthalani.
पश्यन्न वन्दत भवद्विहृतिस्थलानि
Pansushvaveshtata bhavat charanankiteshu.
मांसुष्ववेष्टत भवच्चरणाङ्कितेषु
Kim brumahe bahujana hi tadapi jata.
किं ब्रूमहे बहुजना हि तदापि जाता
Evan tu bhakti tarala virala paratman.
एवं तु भक्तितरला विरलाः परात्मन् पश्यन्न वन्दत भवद्विहृतिस्थलानि पांसुष्ववेष्टत भवच्चरणाङ्कितेषु किं ब्रूमहे बहुजना हि तदापि जाता एवं तु भक्तितरला विरलाः परात्मन्.
My God, what a verse this is. Bapre. Pashyan, having seen, avandata, he bowed down. Bhavat viruti sthalani. Viruti, leela, sport. Your places where you have shown that sports, your stories which are famous or heard, seeing all that, avandata, he bowed down. Not only that. Paumsushu means in the sand, in the mud, in the dust. Aveshtata, he rolled himself in the sand. Where? Bhavat charanangri kateshu, charanankiteshu, charana ankita. Where your footprints were there, charana ankita. When he saw that this is the Lord's feet on this soil, he rolled himself into that soil. Look at his bhava. Kim brumahe, what I can say. Bahujana hi tadapi jata. Tadapi jata. There were so many people who were there that time who know also this. But evam tu, like this, bhakti taralaha, the one with such a devotion, virala, very rare. Paratman, oh Bhagwan, Bhattatari ji is saying, there would be so many people that time. But with one such bhakti like Akrura, who is bowing down to the places you have shown Leela, who is rolling in the sand wherever he sees your feet, is expressing so much. Such a bhakta is virala, very rare. पश्यन्नवन्दत भवद्भिरुतिस्थलानि पांसुष्वेष्टत भवच्चरणाङ्कितेषु किं ब्रूमहे बहुजना हि तदापि जाता एवं तु भक्तितरला विरला परात्मन्. Wow. The joy now to read these verses. सायं स गोपभवनानि भवच्चरित्रगीतामृत प्रसृत कर्णरसायनानि.
सायं सकोपभवनानि भवच्चरित्रगीतामृतप्रसृतकर्णरसायनानि.
कर्णरसायनानि.
सायं सगोपभवनानि भवच्चरित्रगीतामृतप्रसृतकर्णरसायनानि.
कर्णरसायन. पश्यन् प्रमोदसरितेव किलोह्यमानः.
पश्यन् प्रमोदसरितेव कल्किलोह्यमानः.
गच्छन् भवनसन्निधिमन्वयासीत्.
गच्छन् भवद्भवनसन्निधिमन्वयासीत्. सायं सगोपभवनानि भवच्चरित्रगीतामृतप्रसृतकर्णरसायनानि. पश्यन् प्रमोदसरितेव कलोह्यमानः. गच्छन् भवद्भवनसन्निधिमन्वयासीत्.
He has not reached Lord's house. He is still in that atmosphere. Then what has happened? Sayam, in that evening, Gopa Bhavanani, all the Gopas' houses are there, no? Bhavat Charitra Gita, your Charitra Gita, your Leelas, your story, that Charitra in the song form, and that it was flowing like a Amrita Prasruta, and it was Karana Rasayana. It was like a nectar to the ears while passing those houses where the Gopas are singing Lord's stories, Lord's Leela. Akrura could hear all that and his ears were filled with nectar. And Pashyan, seeing that, Pramoda Sarita Iva. Sarita is a river. Pramoda Sarita, the river of bliss, the river of happiness, that river of contentment, Pramoda, satisfying joy. Kilohyamanaha. Kilohyamanaha, uhyamanaha, uhyaha, kila uhya manaha. He was getting carried away. He's not walking anymore. He's just whisked. He's just carried away by these songs. And somehow he has reached Bhavad Bhavana Sannidhi Anvayasit. Anvayasit, he reached who? Bhavad Bhavana Sannidhi. Finally, now he has reached where the Lord is living. He has near the place where Lord's Bhavat Sannidhi, near Lord residence. Still, it's still the description is only of his journey only. He's still not met the Lord. सायं स गोपभवनानि भवच्चरित्रगीतामृतप्रसृतकर्णरसायनानि पश्यन् प्रमोदसरितेव किलोह्यमानः गच्छन् भवद्भवनसन्निधिमन्वयासीत्. Number 8. तावद्ददर्श पशुदोह विलोकलोलम्.
तावद्ददर्श पशुदोह विलोकलोलम्
भक्तोत्तमा गतिमिव प्रतिपालयन्तम्
भक्तोत्तमागतिमिव प्रतिपालयन्तम्
भूमन् अग्रजवन्तमन्तः
भूमन् भवन्तमयमग्रजवन्तमन्तः
सिन्धुमिवोद्वमन्तम्
ब्रह्मानुभूतिरससिन्धुमिवोद्वमन्तम् तावद्ददर्श पशुदोह विलोकलोलम् भक्तोत्तमागतिमिव प्रतिपालयन्तम् भूमन् भवन्तमयमग्रजवन्तमन्तः ब्रह्मानुभूतिरससिन्धुमिवोद्वमन्तम्
Another very beautiful verse. Now what happens? Tavat, that time, Dadarsha saw Pashu Doha Viloka Lola. Cows are getting milked, and Lord is watching them with great interest and happiness. Who? Lord is watching the cows getting milked, and Akrura is seeing that the Lord is watching them. Okay, this is the scene. And Bhaktottama Agatam Iva Pratipalayantam. As if Lord is Pratipala, expecting that Bhaktottama, his greatest devotee, is coming. As though, means Akrura is getting a feeling that Lord is as though waiting for him only. And not that description is Bhaktottama Agatam, he is going to come, even as though Pratipalayantam, Lord is waiting for him. And Bhuman, oh Lord, oh Bhuman, Bhuma, infinite, oh infinite one. Bhavantam, Ayam, Agrajavantam. You are, means, so that is related to that Pashudoha. With Agraja, with Balramji, you are enjoying that cow dohana. That time, Antaha Brahma, so Anta Brahma, see that Anta Brahma Anubhuti, it's together. So I think we should not cut it because the meaning will not complete. See, Bhavantam Ayam Agrajavanta. Over there, after that, the last word is Anta. That Anta is with that Brahmanubhuti. Akrura's description is how he is already full with happiness and bliss even before seeing the Lord. On the way only he is complete. Correct? And that Brahmanubhuti which is inside, Asa Sindhum Ivodvamantam. That which he is seeing outside in his mind, it is as if Udvamantam outside, as if manifesting outside. So Lord has given him that complete feeling of the bliss. What is inside is what he is visualizing outside. This is what Lord gave him already, even before meeting. Tavad dadarsha pashudoha vilokalolam bhaktottama gatimiva pratipalayantam bhuman bhavantamayamagrajavantamantar brahmanubhutirasa sindhumivodvamantam. Wow, what a verse that is. Sindhu, Brahmanubhuti Sindhu, that ocean of bliss which is inside, it's manifesting outside, as if it's manifesting outside. Wow, 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 wow. Radha Krishna, see? Number 9. Sayantana plava vishesha vivikta gatrau.
Sayantana plava vishesha vivikta gatrau.
Dvau pita nila ruchirambara lobhaniyau.
Daupida Nila Rujirambara Lobhaniyau.
Nati prapancha dhrita bhushana charu veshau.
Nadi Prapancha Dhrita Bhushana Charu Veshau.
Mandasmitardra vadanau sayuvanda darsha.
मन्दस्मिताद्रवदनौ स युवां ददर्श
सायन्तनाप्लव
सायन्तनाप्लवविशेषविविक्तगात्रौ द्वौ पीतनीलरुचिराम्बरलोभनीयौ नाविप्रपञ्चधृतभूषणचारुवेषौ मन्दस्मिताद्रवदनौ स युवां ददर्श.
So now only he's seeing what? Sayantana of the evening, Aplava, bath, Vishesha Vivikta Gatrau. The body has become so clean and very distinct after the bath, of the evening bath. Description. Saw, Dvau, two, Pita and Neela, with the yellow cloth and with the blue cloth. Ruchira, beautiful, Ambara, Lobhaniya, very enchanting. Two, he saw. Nati prapancha, too much prapancha is not there. Of what? Dhrita bhushana. The ornaments, bhushana ornaments, not too much. Nati prapancha. Very few ornaments, but they are charu vesho. They are very charming vesha. Not much ornament, clean body soon after the shower, no? That kind of freshness. Mandasmita, very small, cute smile is there. Ardra vadana, very beautiful face. So Yuvan the Darsha, he saw two young boys. Now only Akrura got darshan of the Lord finally. सायन्तनाप्लव्य विशेष विविक्त गात्रौ द्वौ पीत नील रुचिराम्बरलोभनीयौ नातिप्रपञ्च धृतभूषण चारु वेषौ मन्दस्मितार्द्रवदनौ स युवान् ददर्श. So beautiful, no? My God. Okay. दूराद्रथात् समवरुह्य नमन्तमेनम्
दूराद्रथात् समवरुह्य नमन्तमेनम्
उत्थाप्य भक्तकुलमौलिमथोपगूहन्
उत्थाप्य भक्तकुलमौलिमथोपगूहन्
गूहन् दीर्घगु हर्षान्विताक्षरगिरा कुशलानुयोगी
हर्षान्विताक्षरगिरा कुशलानुयोगी
पाणिं प्रगृह्य सबलोऽथ गृहन्निनेथ
पाणिं प्रगृह्य सबलोऽथ गृहन्निनेथ दूरार्द्रतात् समवरुह्य नमन्तमेनम् उत्थाप्य भक्तकुलमौलिमथोपगूहन् हर्षान्विताक्षरगिरा कुशलानुयोगी पाणिं प्रगृह्य सबलोऽथ गृहन्निनेथ.
So beautiful, my God. To search your name to take away the spotlight. When the hands are removed, I will search your name and then I will reach you now. Okay. Because S it's gone down in the list, so I have to put a search. That's why I say not to remove the hands. You can see it. Now what has happened? Dura, from that path, Rathat, from the Ratha, Samaruhya, having got down, Namantamenam, he is bowing down. Then to that who is bowing down, Lord Utthapya, lifts it. And how is he? Bhaktakula Maulini, the head of all the Bhaktas, means the greatest of all the devotees. To that Bhaktakula Mauli, Lord Utthapya and Athopa Guhan, and embraces him. And Harshan Mitakshara, very happily and with few words, Akshara Gira, Kushalanu he asks the howabouts, whereabouts, and everything. And Panim Pragruhya, holding his hand, Sabalaha, with Balramji, Samninetha, takes him into the house. दूराद्रथात् समवरुह्य नमन्तमेनम् उत्थाप्य भक्तकुलमौलिमथोपगूहन् हर्षान्विताक्षरगिरा कुशलानुयोगी पाणिं प्रगृह्य सबलोऽथ गृहन्निनेथ. Number 11. नन्देन साकममितादरमर्चयित्वा
नन्देन साकममितादरमर्चयित्वा
संयादवन्तदुदिता निशमय्य वार्ताम्
तैयादवन्तदुदितान् निशमय्य वार्ताम्
गोपेषु भूपतिनिदेशकथान् निवेद्य
गोपेषु भूपतिनिदेशकथान् निवेद्य
नानाकथाभिरिहतेन निशामनैषीः
नानाकथाभिरिह तेन निशामनैषीः नन्देन साकममितादरमर्चयित्वा तैयादवन्तदुदितान् निशमय्य वार्ताम् गोपेषु भूपतिनिदेशकथान् निवेद्य नानाकथाभिरिह तेन निशामनैषीः.
So now he's taken inside. Then Nandena Sakam with the Nanda Babaji. Sakam with, so always the third case will come with Sakam. Amitadara. Amitadara. So much respect. Amitadara. Without any Shesha. So much respect. Archaitva was given him whatever the honors that was needed to be given for the guest. Tam Yadavam Taduditam Nishamya Vartam. So Nishammaya Vartam, hearing whatever was Varta, all that news, Taduditam, whatever he has brought. Then Gopeshu, to the Gopas, Bhupati Nidesha Katham Nivedya, whatever the king, the Bhupati Nidesha, whatever Bhupati, the king's Katha, what was the message was there, Nivedya, to the Gopas he conveyed. And then Nana Kathabihi, various matters, Tena, with him, means with the Lord, with the Akrura, Nisham Anaishihi, Nisha, the night, Anaishihi, was spent the night talking to Akrura whole night about various matters. Nandena Sakamamita Daramarchayitva, Tanyadavantadudita Nishamayya Varta, Gopeshu Bhupati Nidesha Katha Nivedya, Nana Kathabhirihatena Nishamanaishihi. Okay, last one. Chandra Grihe Kimuta Chandra Bhaga Grihenu. Am I not audible? I was not audible.
Is it me?
Yeah.
I didn't hear who.
Yeah, you are on the spotlight.
Okay. Chandagrahe kimuta chandra bhagagraheno.
Radha Grihenu Bhavane Kimu Maitra Vinde.
Radha graheno bhavane kimumaitra vinde.
Urto Vilambata Iti Pramadabhiruchaihi.
Dhurto vilambata iti pramadabhiruchaihi.
Ashankito Nishimarut Puranatha Payaha.
Ashankito nishimarut puranatha payah. Chandragrahe kimuta chandrabhagagrahetun. Chandragrahe kimuta chandrabhagagrahenum. Radhagrahenu bhavane kimu maitra vinde. Dharto vilambata iti pramadabhiruchaihi. Ashankito nishimarut puranatha payah. सदा सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंदा गोविंदा.
So now what happens? Chandra Grahe Kimuta. Kimuta, is he in Chandra's house? Chandra Bhaga Gruhenu, or whether he is in Chandra Bhaga's house. Radha Gruhenu, or whether he is in Radha's house. Bhavane. Kimu Maitra Vinde, maybe in Maitra Vinda's house. So this Bhavane is for everybody. Chandra Bhaga, Radha, or Maitra Vinda. So whose house is it? Dhurtaha, this naughty boy. Vilambataha. He is making so much delay Pramadabhiruchaihi. These gopikas are keeping on lamenting loudly again and again. This night, Lord has not come to gopis. This night, the Lord is with Akrura talking some business matters now. That same Lord who was doing all this leelas with gopis, a sweet boy, lover boy, whatever, is now talking business. And these gopis keeping on ashankito, doubting, Nishi, whole night they have been thinking, where is Pramadadibihi, Uchai Pramadadibihi, by all these gopis. Keeping on saying this loudly, the night has spent. O Marutpuranatha, O Guruvairappa, Payaha, protect me. Chandra grihe kimuta chandra bhaga grihenu, Radha grihenu bhavane kimu maitra vinde, dhurto vilambata iti pramadabhiruchaihi, ashankito nishimarutpuranatha payaha. Sada sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. So with His immense grace, so easily we have finished well before time without borrowing any extra time. So we'll pause over here for today. And then tomorrow's preparation, come well dressed, don't miss your turns. If some emergency, something, please convey. Don't put others into trouble. Be mindful of others. Others are not others. Others are your extended form. So don't put anything like that. And keep an altar, dress properly. Don't come and sit in nighty and all like that. Dress traditionally. One day to wear a sari, it is okay. Okay. Keep an altar, one flower, one fruit if possible. But one lamp has to be there, not a tea light. And come and do the Parayan nicely. Whatever bhav and effort you will take for that one Parayan, Lord will uplift you in manifold ways. And He will make it easy. But first step, we will always have to give the bhav only to the Lord. Rest He packages and gives us very nicely. But we are not ready to take the effort. So that one we should put, somehow we should put effort. And Parayan day means it has to be that joyful. All these mini efforts, if you will take now, then only when we'll do the Sampurna Parayan, it will manifest easily or in a Purnatva that time. But in this first little things only, if effort is not seen, all of a sudden on a big day, it will not come out easily. It has to be done with that bhav, that preparation. You must get used to it. And it will come to you automatically with the flow, what you practice. If it's not practiced, it will not come. Suddenly, then there will be confusion and what is to be done, what is not to be done will happen. So do tomorrow's Parayan with great practice. If something is happening, message, if I'm not reachable, reach anybody whom you think and convey it to somebody and who is ready to take it. Do something about it. If I am not knowing about it, to arrange a person. Then you arrange yours and you keep it over there. But you keep somebody, do something about it. Okay, so let
Hari Om
us.
Varsha, Hari Om Varsha, one person. In 35th Dashaka, last 10th, last line, we have to chant.
35th.
Yeah, 35th,
Okay,
35.
Okay. Then over there.
Last line, 10th, last line, I have to chant 3 times. Sattvam Sattvaika
Yes,
Murte.
correct. Yes.
Okay. Then after that, Janaki Kanta Smaran, Anjaneya Swami ki jai.
Yes,
Janaki Kanta
Janaki Kanta
Smaran jai.
Smaranam Jai Ram Ram.
Rama Rama. Okay, thank you.
Yes. Yeah, that has to be done. And where it was, yeah, there only, yeah, correct. Any more doubts for tomorrow? We'll meet tomorrow then. Okay. So next week, let us see. If 75th Dashakam is not going to fit in, then we will take till 74. Today 72 has happened, no? 73 and 74. Then maybe next week we do up to 74. Let me think about it. Because 75th Dashakam is Sradharamitra. If it was something small, I could squeeze in with them. But it won't get squeezed in. Let's see. Okay. Let's end today's session. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. Let's
Thank
have
you,
the
Varsha.
Guru
Thank
Bhava
you,
in our
Varshaji.
mind, traffic and context.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Varshaji.
Thank you.
Varsha.
Hari Om.
Thank you.
Hari Om, Varshaji.
Hari Om ji. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Varshaji. Hari Om.
Thank you,
Hari Om,
Varsha
Varshaji.
ji. Hari Om ji. Hari Om Lalita.
Going in tomorrow. I'm
Kaamichide.
going into
Iroda
the hospital
kaamichide.
tomorrow. Just to let you know, Varshaji, I'll be going in tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning it is
That's
7
right.
o'clock. All our prayers with you right here. And when we
Thank
do
you.
the parent, we'll think of you, prefer to leave out every single person.
Thank you.
Thank you.